Hello, welcome YouTubers. Today I'm gonna review a little bit about this helicopter. It is a child helicopter and can be bought from eBay, mostly in China. You could get these for $3.99, including postage, and you don't pay any duty in the UK. What we have here, I will go step by step. I'll start with the helicopters itself. As you can see, this helicopter, it's made of plastic, but this plastic, it can resist any crash or anything. So it's actually very well made if you compare with other Chinese items. For example, if it crash, you could throw it down the way you like it, and there's no any effect. Well, the color itself, these come from different color, and the one which we have got here, it is yellow and it's shiny, and we've got also with 4 wings, including this one. I'll tell you exactly what it is. Now you could see here there's a little bit of a connection or link between this and that. So this, the work is, if you are trying to turn this helicopter left and right, so this is will be, for example, if you're turning left, it will go through the left side, and it will make the helicopter itself turning. And if it right side, this one will be activated and it will go to the right side and the helicopter will turn right. The other good things about this helicopter is lithium battery. I'm not sure where it is, but could be inside somewhere, and it's easy to charge it because in this remote control you can put inside 3 times AA battery inside this. I think it is 3 or 4, I'm not sure. And you can see here like a USB charge, so you could either connect your helicopter here and it will start charge, from the battery inside, and this battery can be used for long time. For example, I've got this for about 5 days now. So when you connect it into the charger, make sure the helicopter itself, it is off. So this the green light will show here. You can see a little bit green light there, so it shows that it is charging, and when it is full, this green light will go off. So if you want, if it is off, you just take it out to save your charge. Now this is the controller itself. It has got 3 buttons, or about 1 2 3 4 5. Now this is how to fly your helicopter. It is just you press it up, but to fly it you have to to press it all the way up, and then you can try to control it. And then we've got this to go left and right. Unfortunately, this helicopter does not go in the front. It just go whatever, any place. So don't think that you will fly it and say that I need it to go in the front. No, you just need to play with the helicopter, with the gear here, and it can turn left and right, but there's no front. It just all the way go up. So it's how you control your helicopter. Now if you want to turn it on, this is how you power it on, and it will be flashing, and because like it is searching for the signal, and then you can turn on the helicopter itself from here underneath. There's on and off. So this is how it will flash when it is on. Now I'll show you something. Now this is how it operates. Now, if I want to fly it, this is what I need to do.
No. No. That smells slimy. Hi. On your phone? No.